Welcome to our channel, where we provide you with helpful guides and tutorials to enhance your experience with X. In today's video, we will walk you through a full guide on how to add a header picture in X. If you want to personalize your X profile with a stunning header image, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open X on your device. You can find the X app on your home screen or in the app drawer. Tap on it to launch the application. Step 2. Once you're in X, locate the account icon in the top right corner of the screen. It usually appears as a small profile picture or an avatar. Tap on it to access your account settings. Step 3. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled Profile. It's typically represented by an icon resembling a person or a silhouette. Tap on it to open your profile settings. Step 4. Within the profile settings, find the section dedicated to your header picture. Tap on the existing header picture, and a menu will appear. Select the Upload option to choose a new image from your device's gallery or files. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the upload process. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to add a header picture in X. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials and guides.